So I just stumbled upon this toolkit called Acton for developing smart contracts, and it's written in Rust. That's kind of intriguing, right?
Wait, Rust. I mean, that's a language known for safety and performance. I didn't expect it to be used for smart contracts. What's the advantage?
Exactly. Acton claims to offer a single CLI for the entire contract lifecycle, which sounds super efficient. Imagine having everything in one place.
That does sound appealing, but I wonder if having everything in one CLI could lead to complexity. Are users finding it user-friendly?
Good point. They do provide project templates and automatically generated TypeScript wrappers, which should help ease some of that complexity.
Templates can be great for beginners, but I'm curious if they limit creativity for more experienced developers. Any thoughts?
I never thought about that. It's like giving someone a paint-by-numbers kit instead of a blank canvas. But maybe it helps with the initial learning curve.
Right, so it's a double-edged sword. And I wonder how well it handles debugging, since that's crucial in any development environment.
They mention a fast test runner with features like gas snapshots and coverage testing. That sounds like a solid approach for debugging.
That's interesting. But I'd want to see specific examples or evidence showing how effective these tools are in real-world scenarios.
Totally, it's easy to claim efficiency, but actual performance data is what really counts. I'd love to see user testimonials.
And what about the installation process? They suggest using a public installer, but manual downloads might confuse some users.
Yeah, I wonder if they considered that. Having a straightforward installation is key, especially for newcomers.
Plus, the support policy indicates it's stable on certain platforms. What if someone uses an unsupported OS like Windows?
Good catch, they recommend running it in WSL, but that could be a barrier for those not familiar with Linux environments.
Exactly, it's like saying, we want to be inclusive, but then putting up a wall. It could be frustrating for new developers.
Speaking of developers, I find it fascinating how Acton supports both DApp development and traditional smart contracts.
That versatility is impressive. But do you think it could dilute the focus on either DApp or smart contract excellence?
Potentially, it's like trying to be a jack of all trades. Can they really excel in both areas?
Right, and that brings us back to the question of user experience. Are they really delivering a seamless experience for both?
Exactly, I'd love to know how they balance features for different types of users.
And on top of that, the documentation looks pretty comprehensive. But is it accessible enough for beginners?
That's a key issue. If the information is too technical, it could alienate newcomers.
For sure. So here's the million-dollar question. Is Acton setting a new standard for smart contract development toolkits?
That's a great question. It might be a game changer, but we need to see how it performs in the wild.
And let's not forget about community involvement. The more feedback they get, the better they can refine the toolkit.
Absolutely, engaging with users is key to evolving any tech product. It's like a living, breathing ecosystem.
And who knows? Maybe we'll see Acton inspire other platforms to improve their offerings in the smart contract space.
Totally, but I wonder how long it will take for that ripple effect to occur. Are we talking months or years?
It's hard to predict. Tech evolves so quickly, and user needs change just as fast.
Right, so if we synthesize all this information, what would our takeaway be about Acton?
I think it's a promising toolkit with some potential trade-offs that users should weigh carefully.
Exactly, it's exciting, but there are definitely hurdles to overcome. Makes you wonder if it's truly ready for mainstream adoption.
And will it live up to the hype? That remains to be seen. What are some factors that could influence its success?
User feedback, continuous updates, and community support are all crucial, but can they keep pace with competitors?
Good point. And with the rapid changes in the blockchain space, adaptability will be key.
For sure, it's a fascinating time for smart contract development. I can't wait to see where Acton goes from here.
Same here. It's like watching a thrilling new chapter unfold in the tech world.
And who knows, maybe we'll have some amazing success stories coming out of Acton soon.
I'm hopeful. It's all about keeping that innovative spirit alive. Exciting times ahead.
Definitely, so what's the one thing you're most curious about as Acton develops?
I'm really curious to see how they handle community engagement and support. Could be a game changer.
Agreed, that could set them apart in a crowded space. Let's keep an eye on this.
Absolutely. This conversation has me excited. Let's reconnect as soon as we see something new.
For sure, the journey into the world of Acton is just beginning.